What's the meaning of believer? Believer. Believer.
Believer. Believer. The term believer typically refers to someone who holds a strong conviction or faith in a particular doctrine, ideology, or religion. A believer is someone who trusts in the truth or validity of a concept or principle and regards it as an essential aspect of their worldview. Such individuals often identify with a particular community or group that shares their beliefs and may engage in various spiritual practices or rituals to reinforce those beliefs. Believers may also exhibit a willingness to defend their beliefs and may actively seek to convert others to their point of view. Ultimately, the term believer connotes a sense of faith, conviction, and commitment to a particular set of beliefs or values.